The ultimate goal for architecture is to build collective dreams. It was not the developer and the architects. It was a team working together in one project.
Our project is really something thinking around people. Miami has become better and better. And for that reason, many people now, they are thinking, maybe Miami is my city, maybe Miami is my place, and establish something for life.
This project was developed exclusively around the resident, for the family that's going to live there. Years of research and analysis and study to truly understand how people want to live. Peeling back layers and exposing a balance and a freedom necessary to live a life full of profound moments.
It is an opportunity to be in the street that is the address in Miami. And that gateway aspect warrants a building that has a presence in the skyline. There are many buildings on Brickell that are striking, that are geometric, angular, orthogonal. But in this case, the inspiration was nature, that the forms were fluid as if they were shaped by the wind. And as the building rises to the skies, it starts tapering, creating a moment in the skyline that is unique.
When you come home with landscape at least greeting you on the ground floor, you should feel like you're connected to the environment, connected to nature, and have a sense that you're part of the ecosystem.
We needed to build up a sequence of arrival that was very different. We used the drop-off as a first layer of privacy, and then again layering different level of access to your home. You really feel that the tower is yours. There is a lot of old secrets in order to work out marbles in some way, how to combine different materials, how to make them possible, livable, maintainable. Details like, for example, the grooving in the marbles, the treatment of surfaces, how we play with the vein of the travertine is quite something. It's very unique.
You're able to cross the threshold, take a brief sigh, and know that you arrived somewhere different. It's really all-encompassing and surrounding. There's no detail left untouched or that hasn't been thought about, so that you're really enveloped in everything that is the luxury of 1428 Brickell.
It's not formal. It's not a definition of a style. It's more definition of the quotidianity, how you really use the space. It's just an answer of life. It's something gives to you the feeling of home. It's a completely different approach.
We obsessively sought to create a home built around your family. Every idea was examined and challenged and improved upon in order to create an ultra-luxe and ultra-livable building. This dialogue then between a private family lifestyle, the architecture, and nature. A place where your children and their children will be proud to call home.